Pirates Love Underpants by Freedman and Cort. These pirates so love underpants. They're on a special quest to find the fabled pants of gold for the captain's treasure chest. "Anchors aweigh!" the captain cries. "Hoist up Black Bloomer's sail! Unfurl the secret treasure map! Pants pirates never fail!" Black Bloomer bobs upon the waves. The captain shouts, "Hooray! Sharks in fancy underpants! We've found Big Knicker's Bay!" The pirates grab their cutlasses and row the boats to shore. But, "Yikes, me hearties! What's this? Someone's been here before!" The footprints lead through shifting dunes, across the Three Pants Ridge. Snap, snap, snarl, hungry crocodiles beneath the Long John Bridge. The pirates wade through gurgling swamps, through caves as black as night. They trek through prickly undergrowth, then gulp. Oh, what a sight! "We're here too late!" the pirates gasp. "Another pirate crew! They found the golden underpants! What are we gonna do?" The captain has a cunning plan. It's clever, it's fantastic. Grab their fancy underpants and cut through the elastic! Shh! As the rival pirates sleep, they snip round on tiptoe. But help! The captain's parrot squawks and wakes them up. Oh no! "Grab those pants!" the captain roars. "They're after us! War!" But with their pants around their feet, they don't get very far. "Yo-ho, ho-ho!" the pirates dance. "Fine treasures fill our hold. But what's the booty we love best? The glittering pants of gold." So when you put your pants on, check. The elastic is in place. Or like those silly pirates found, you'll have a bright red face.